Itty-Bitty Animals by Joanne Emerson. Read aloud permission given by Scholastic. Animals come in all shapes and sizes. In this book, you'll meet some of the smallest and cutest animals around. Some you may know, and some you may have never heard of at all. But each of these little guys has one thing in common. They are all itty-bitty animals. Pygmy hedgehog. A full-grown pygmy hedgehog is about 6 to 8 inches from its nose to its tail. It's really small. They only weigh about 1 pound. That's smaller than a football. As a baby, a pygmy hedgehog is so small that it can fit on a spoon. Okay, I feel like I need to get a spoon for comparison here. Okay, you guys, I found a spoon. So, grabbed a spoon. So the baby pygmy hedgehog is about the size of a spoon. So let's see here. That could fit 2 Cheez-Its. Or, what? Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I think I could fit one more. 7 Apple Jacks on 1 spoon. So it's about the size of a baby pygmy hedgehog. It's really small. Alright, let's read about our next itty-bitty animal. Alright, a fence fox. The fence fox is tinier than any other dog, wolf, fox, or coyote in the world. Its body may be small, but its ears are very big. In fact, for its size, its ears are larger than any other fox's. In some parts of the world, kids get to keep these furry friends as pets. Would you like to have one of these little guys as a pet? They're pretty cute. Let's see here. Kitti's hog-nosed bat. This nightfire got its name because it has the body of a bat and the nose of a pig, also known as a bumblebee bat. It's about the same size as the buzzing insect. So, we all know bumblebees are pretty small, only about this big. From one wing to the other wing measures less than 2 inches long, which makes it one of the smallest mammals in the world. Wow, that is pretty small. The northern pygmy owl. The northern pygmy owl can be found near coastlines and at forest edges all across North and Central America. It weighs 2.5 ounces, which is about the size of a chicken's egg. I'm gonna have to get an egg next. I'm gonna go find an egg. It's different from other American owls because it's much smaller and it's not nocturnal. So, nocturnal means that they're out and about during the night and they sleep during the day. So if they're not nocturnal, that would mean that they're just like us. They sleep during the night and they're out during the day. And I grabbed a chicken's egg. So, again, pretty small, pretty light. When you think that an owl is about the same size as an egg. Next up is the panda cow. Aw. This cute creature is not a mix between a panda and a cow, but it sure looks like one. Instead, it is a special type of cow with only 25 living in the world. Wow, in the whole world. Because they are so rare, they are sold to animal lovers all over the planet for more than $25,000. It's a lot of money for a cow. Asian small-clawed otter. An Asian small-clawed otter is 26 to 37 inches tall and weighs between 2 and 11 pounds. It is the smallest species of otter in the world. Its claws may be small, but it can still use them to grab crabs, mussels, frogs, and snails to eat for dinner. Ooh. Jerboa think that's how you say that, jerboa. This jumping rodent is known for its large ears and small body. In fact, its ears are 2/3 the size of its body. This would be like an average-sized human having 3-foot-long ears. Whoa, do you imagine having ears that were 3 feet long? Holy cow, be able to hear everything. Oh, okay. Cuvier's dwarf caiman. Crocodiles aren't known for being cuddly, but Cuvier's dwarf caiman is the cutest croc around. A baby caiman is only a few inches long at birth. An adult caiman can grow to about 4 feet long, which may be the reason why some people like them as pets. Beware though, they'll eat birds, fish, reptiles, mammals, and anything else they can get their teeth on. Not something I would like as a pet. Old English baby doll Southern Down sheep. Wow, it's a big name. An Old English baby doll Southern Down sheep is the tiniest type of sheep with the longest name. They make great pets because of their small size and soft fur. They are so smart that they can even be taught to walk on a leash like a dog. Pygmy hog. A pygmy hog is the smallest and rarest species of wild pig. They stand 10 to 12 inches high and can weigh up to 20 pounds. For a long time, they were believed to be extinct, but now we know there are about 100 to 200 still living in the wild. It's a really small little pig. Hog, my bad. Oh, Beyonce. This tiny puppy was named after the superstar singer Beyonce, and this year she might become almost as famous. The Dachshund mix puppy competed for the title of the world's smallest dog in 2012. At birth, she could fit on a spoon. So again, back to the spoon, remember, 2 Cheez-Its or 6 Apple Jacks. At 2 weeks old, she was the size of a business card. So it's about this long, about. At 4 months, she was about as big as a toddler's shoe. So, about this big, still pretty small. Miniature donkey. On average, a miniature donkey is 32 to 34 inches tall and weighs 200 to 300 pounds when fully grown. That might sound heavy, but it's less than half of what full-size donkeys weigh. A mini donkey's back is still very strong, and they can even take kids for rides. Sandcat. The sandcat gets its name because it's found in the sands of the Sahara Desert. They weigh between 4 and 8 pounds and can grow to be 10 to 12 inches long, which makes them the smallest cats in the wild. They are hard to study because their tiny feet do not leave paw prints, which makes it difficult to keep track of them. So they're so small they can walk on the sand and not leave paw prints. Pygmy hippo. Aw. Hippos are known for being huge, but not these little guys. A pygmy hippo weighs between 430 and 550 pounds, which is less than half of what a standard hippopotamus weighs. Originally from West Africa, a pygmy hippo was given as a gift to President Calvin Coolidge in 1927, and now they are in zoos all around the United States. Imagine having a hippo as a pet. So let's see here. Here's our glossary. It tells us about certain words. So insect, a small animal with 3 pairs of legs, 1 or 2 pairs of wings, and 3 main parts to its body. Mammals, a warm-blooded animal that has hair or fur and usually gives birth to live babies, so it doesn't lay eggs. Nocturnal, active at night. Species, a group into which animals and plants are divided. Reptiles, A cold-blooded animal that crawls across the ground or creeps on short legs. So, extinct. No longer found alive. Like the poor dinosaurs. The end.